Chad Daybell has insisted that his wife Lori Vallow's two missing children are not in danger as the mother awaits extradition to Idaho to face charges in their disappearance.
The prolific Doomsday author has repeatedly declined to comment in the past on the whereabouts of Lori's kids Joshua J.J. Vallow and Tylee Ryan, who were last seen in Idaho in September.
That changed on Thursday, when he was approached by ABC News reporters at Lihue Airport in Hawaii.
The kids are safe, Chad said minutes before he boarded a flight back to Rexburg, Idaho. He declined to go into any further detail about where the children are.
Scroll down for video.
Lori was arrested in Kauai on February 20 on charges of desertion and child abandonment, resisting and/or obstructing an officer, solicitation and contempt of court.
Authorities are reportedly preparing to return her to Idaho later this week after she waived her right to an extradition hearing when she appeared in front of a judge last Wednesday.
Meanwhile, Chad was seen packing up the couple's apartment in Princeville, Hawaii, before he caught the flight to Idaho the following day.
7-year-old JJ and 17-year-old Tylee were last seen in Idaho over 5 months ago but were never reported missing by their mother.
Lori and Chad, whom she married in early November, fled their home in Rexburg later that month when police began asking questions about her children's whereabouts.
Authorities tracked the couple down in Princeville, Hawaii, and served Lori with a court order on January 25 requiring her to physically produce the children to authorities in Idaho within 5 days.
Lori failed to meet the deadline, prompting her arrest on February 20.
Rexburg police have accused Lori of repeatedly lying about where JJ and Tylee are and refusing to cooperate with investigators conducting a multi-state search.
They've said they strongly believe that Joshua and Tylee's lives are in danger, and that Lori knows what happened to the kids.
JJ was last seen at his elementary school in Rexburg on September 23, a day before his mother withdrew him and told administrators she would be homeschooling him.
Doorbell camera footage recorded at a neighbor's house appeared to show JJ playing in his front yard on September 17.
July 11, Lori Vallow's husband, Charles Vallow, is killed by her brother, Alex Cox, in Arizona.
August, Lori moves children JJ and Tylee to Rexburg, Idaho.
September 23, the last time JJ was seen at his school in Idaho.
October 19, Chad Daybell's wife Tammy dies at their Idaho home.
October 25, a friend of Tylee receives a text from her phone.
November 5, Lori and Chad marry.
November 26, out-of-state relatives ask Idaho police to perform a welfare check on JJ. Lori and Chad claim he is in Arizona with relatives. Police also learn Tylee has not been seen since September, either.
November 27, police execute a search warrant at Lori and Chad's home, discovering the couple have fled Idaho.
December 11, Tammy Daybell's body is exhumed from the Utah cemetery.
December 12, Lori's brother, Alex Cox, believed to have died in Arizona.
December 21, police issue a press release about JJ and Tylee, revealing they believe their disappearance is linked to Tammy's death.
December 24, Lori and Chad issue a statement through an attorney saying they love their son and daughter and look forward to addressing allegations once they have moved beyond speculation and rumor.
December 30, police accuse Lori and Chad of lying to investigators and say they believe the couple know where the kids are or what happened to them.
January 26, Lori and Chad are seen for the first time in months as police serve 2 search warrants in Kauai.
January 30, Lori misses court deadline to produce the children to authorities.
February 20, Lori is arrested in Kauai.
Tylee was last seen on September 8 at Yellowstone National Park on a day trip with her mother, uncle and JJ.
Police recovered a photo of Tylee in the park from Lori's iCloud account and said there's been no sign of the 17-year-old since.
Detectives are reportedly preparing to search Yellowstone as soon as the snow melts, which could not happen until May or June.
The case captured nationwide attention with the revelations that police are also investigating 3 mysterious deaths linked to Lori and Chad, as well as family members' claims that the couple are members of a dangerous doomsday cult.
The first death is that of Lori's estranged husband Charles Vallow, who was shot dead by her brother Alex Cox in Arizona on July 10.
Charles and Lori had gotten into an argument when the father came to pick up JJ at the mother's home in Chandler.
Lori's brother intervened and fatally shot Charles.
Police initially determined that he acted in self-defense, but the case was reopened amid the multi-state search for JJ and Tylee, who had moved to Idaho, where Chad lived, with their mother in August.
The second mysterious death was Tammy Daybell, Chad's previous wife, who was found dead at the couple's home in Salem, Idaho, on October 19.
An obituary stated that Tammy passed away in her sleep and her cause of death was ruled as natural after Chad reportedly declined an autopsy.
Investigators reopened the case after learning that JJ and Tylee were missing, as their mother had married Chad just 2 weeks after Tammy died. They believe the two cases could be linked.
Tammy's body was exhumed on December 11 and the autopsy results have not yet been released.
On December 12, Lori's brother, Alex Cox, was found dead in Gilbert, Arizona.
The 51-year-old's death is now under investigation as police wait for an autopsy to determine the cause.